So I just got a new pair of Bruno Marcs, and I'm gonna open them up and give you my first impressions. I believe I got these to give to my dad, but let me make sure before I do. So let me move this down and we'll just unbox it together. First of all, I like the new packaging that Bruno Marcs has been doing. I've been wearing Bruno Marcs for at least 2 years. It's a new logo. All right, there it is. So yeah, these I got from my dad, specifically for 2 or 3 reasons. Number one, the collar is super soft and it's the type of shoe that you can just slide into. That's good for him so he doesn't have to bend over. And then number 2, the whole shoe seemed really comfortable. And you're like, I know, shoes are supposed to be, but no, I mean, seriously, like all this is cloth, not a lot of hard stuff on the inside. It's all very smooth. So the collar is soft. The insole feels to be very soft. It's got this like raised bump in there, and I've had these before, this insole before, and that proves to be pretty darn comfortable. And then let me pull this out a little bit. You can see that it's a pretty dense insole. So I think they'll be comfortable for my dad, slip in really easy. And it's just got a little style, something different for my dad. A lot of different aeration, little holes here just for looks. The eyelets do have some metal around that, so like that grommet is going to be strengthened. But yeah, the shoelaces are that rounded kind of type. The contrast of colors are pretty distinct. A lot of gray, then a darker grayish brown, more gray here, a little texture here. So it's just kind of a well thought out shoe. Grip, I would say that looks to be pretty average. Average not in a bad way, but just like average in like that's what you would expect. So, all right, let me put these on and I'll walk around, do a couple laps. All right, I probably would not wear it with these socks. These are gonna kind of show a little bit. Instead, I'd wear something a little bit lower probably. Oh, I forgot, these are the step-in type. Let me put this other shoe on instead of like working it like I just did there. Let me just step into it and just make sure that that functionality works. I'm not sure why this took us so long to invent this kind of a step in, but I think it's great. So you just had to put your foot in there and then you put weight on it and you'll just slide in. 1, 2, 3. Isn't that cool? All right, cool. All right, let me flip the camera around and stroll. What I'm really looking for is how does the sole feel? Because my dad, 76 years old, he wants it to be comfortable. And then also just the fabric around it. Is there any rubbing, any like abrasions that can get annoying? So first impressions are the sole is very, very cushioned, very deep. It's a pretty deep sole. Like I'm feeling there's a lot of bounce to them. The shoe altogether is a little tight. That could partly be because it's the first time out of the box. It could also be I have them laced up a little too tight. So in all fairness, let me pull these laces out a little bit. Oh yeah, I can already feel that. Oh, that's feeling so much better, obviously. Okay, so I had them a little too tight. Let's see, do another lap and compare that with what it did feel like. Yeah, it's feeling better. Okay, while I'm tying my shoe here, first impressions are good for all the reasons I said. And if you are into that sole that you step into, I think that's the big selling point. Okay, yeah, that feels a whole lot better. I'd say comfortable, but the heel, it's kind of, I'm trying to describe it. It feels like my heel is in a cup, and that's definitely comfortable, but it's not like just completely flat. It feels like there's like some, I can feel the rolling in the heel. Let's look at that heel again and just see why it feels that way. So there's the shoe. It's gray and brown. It's a different color than anything my dad's got. Let me pull this off. So yeah, I'm definitely feeling, see how in the insole there, it's like that rounded part? That'll probably squish over time, but I'm feeling that. So in other words, like I feel every bit of that cushion, and not in a bad way. It's, oh, I gotta remember that. Not in a bad way at all. It's it just means there's a lot of cushion there. All right, these are from Bruno Marc. A little different style. Hope the review helps. So they did send these to me for a review. This is my forthright and honest review. I think the best part of Bruno Marc is there's a lot of style to them. They're generally well-made shoes, and they're super affordable. So hope this review helps. Have a great day.